This is the campervan XL from Dreamer. Something like this, you're looking at 88,000 plus euros. So it's a fair whack of cash. 636 centimeters long, based on the Fiat Ducato 205 wide, 288 high. That's the thing which is interesting. They've extended the roof. The wonderful lighting system inside. We've got a bed which will drop down, and we also have a large amount of bed space at the back as well. And so you've got storage all the way around. Storage, quite good. Although, having said that, corners completely wasted. Can't stand seeing that myself. Bed in 3 parts. Under the bed you've got a unit which will come out, so should you want to store anything which is long, such as the ladder, whilst you're moving, that would go in there. In here we've got a rather unusual toilet system. So there's your toilet, and over the other side we've got the shower. But what this does do, actually, it does actually make a dressing area, something I'm rather keen on. Now, as you can see, it swings out like that, and hits the ladder on the bed, and there's your wardrobe, and there's the shower. Curious layout. And this door will also come across here as well, so you can make a toilet and bathroom in a sort of, as you can get with expensive motorhomes. Bit of storage up here as well, and there's your fridge, Dometic fridge, tower fridge, 2 burners over here. There's your sink. There is the storage under the kitchen, and it's now have a walk outside. We've got an extension there for the kitchen, and what we'll have to do is we'll have a look from here at the rear, because it does give a huge amount of space. So we've got dividers here, so if you've got things like tables and chairs or what have you, you can divide them from the rest. It's a very useful feature. In here we've got the gas cupboard, and there you get a look at the amount of space in this vehicle, which is quite magnificent, I think. Doors at the back, is there insulation in the door? No, there isn't. So there you go. There's the campervan XL from Dreamer. It's very expensive campervan. Indeed, there are motorhomes which are cheap. I do appreciate that you get what you want, but as far as campervans go, it's, well, one thing I have to say, one very good plus point is I would put the storage, and then I would say also the lighting as well is quite nice. Thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.